Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most easiest and simplest way to make your own DIY sunscreen at home. This DIY sunscreen is a good alternative for market buy sunscreens. And making our own DIYs is much affordable as we buy these sunscreens in market. They are a bit expensive. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. So the ingredients we need are calamine powder. This is easily available in online. And next we need any moisturizer which suits your skin, or you can even use any baby cream. And finally we need vitamin E capsule. So now let's move on to the process. Take a clean bowl and add moisturizer. Here I am going to add 1, 2 and 3 teaspoons of moisturizer. Here I am using this Vaseline Healthy White because it contains triple sunscreen in it, and it is a plus point of using this moisturizer. And next I am going to add calamine powder, about half a teaspoon of calamine powder. Calamine is very beneficial to our skin. And after adding these two ingredients, then mix it properly. After mixing this, if you are having dry skin, then add 1 vitamin E capsule. Extract oil from this vitamin E capsule and again mix it well until all the ingredients gets well combined. So this is how the consistency looks like, and now transfer this sunscreen in any airtight container. Now let us see how to use this. Use this DIY sunscreen before stepping out of your home. Just take some amount of this sunscreen and dot it and massage it into your skin. You can store this sunscreen for about a month or 2. So you can see it blends very easily into your skin. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this DIY sunscreen, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.